Hi, I am Mohammad Zishan Ayub and you are watching BollywoodHangama.com.
You also said somewhere that I can't play a typical hero when it comes to entertaining the audience. Lead role would be challenging because dancing and singing like a typical hero would be tough for you. That's what you've said somewhere. What you said, I think you're playing the leading man in a way in Katha remake. So which is like, I think you're playing Nasiruddin Saab's character, which is as mainstream as it gets in terms of leading man. But why do you say that I can't play a typical hero? Bollywood बनाई आपने सुना रईस के लिए, तो ये सुनने में आई है बात.
हाँ वो अलग बात है. But point is कि नहीं, actually I never said कि I can't play a typical hero. It was a long discussion जिसमें से ये लब्बो लबाब निकाल के जो भी राइटर थी उन्होंने लिखा. My point was कि I do not see myself as a typical hero in the sense that when I only have to dance and look good and give looks and those things. That typical quote unquote hero I was talking about. I don't want to play that actually. I want something should be there that I play. I've been trained in Bharatnatyam. I've been trained in Chau. It's dance ka martial art form. I've been trained in that, but I'm not trained in Western dance, in Bollywood dance. So I was saying that if I'll get a role and I'll have to do Bollywood dance, I'll need to train myself for that. And in terms of singing, nobody sings. That you can understand. It's more of playback singing. So obviously I don't have to sing. Though I sing on stage, but for mic I cannot. I miss Shruti, जो भी होता है वो आजकल बहुत नहीं हो जाता है. हाँ तो वो हो जाता है, but actors कहाँ गाते हैं? Actors के लिए playback singers होते हैं, heroes के लिए किसी के लिए भी. तो singing वाली तो बात गलत ही है. Dancing में I'm not trained. तो हाँ अगर मुझे कुछ आएगा तो मैं बोलूँगा भाई I cannot be like कि मैं set पे आया, आपके कोरियोग्राफर ने स्टेप बताया और मैं कर दूंगा. I'm not trained. अगर आप मुझे ऐसा ऑफर करेंगे I'll train myself. 1 महीना 1.5 महीना, I think 1-1.5 महीने में मैं सीख जाऊंगा और फिर मैं कर लूंगा. नहीं, but अगर आपकी भरतनाट्यम में ट्रेनिंग है, if you have training like classical, I think any sort of other dance form will come very easy. That's what it happens in music as well. If you're trained classically, so all these pops and everything, it becomes far more easily. Yeah, but like for Raees, वो बाद में वो cancel हो गया, but I was supposed to dance. तो जब मैं शुरू किया तो it was looking a bit awkward and I was also uncomfortable. शीशे में देख के यार नहीं यार, it's not looking fine. But after a month, I think 6-7 sessions we had in a month. In 7th or 8th session, it was coming, and director and everybody was happy. कि no, now it's working. Now he's dancing properly. So अगर मैं और 5 दिन करता तो maybe that would have improved. I have that rhythm in my body, but obviously those lines जो है वो सारी चीजें कहीं खो जाती हैं. जी जी. Because of नहीं होगा ट्रेनिंग हो जाएगा.
You've said that there is nothing more important than content. It's not that I want to run away from the concept of a hero. It's just that if someone gives me that, it will be a big challenge. My schooling in life has never been around dance and song, and if someone makes me do that, it will be very tough for me. You've laid emphasis on content.
Yeah, obviously content.
Writing, as I think writing motivates you.
Writing, any day. The first thing I look into a film is script. First thing. After that, director. Then my character, and then the co-actors. And as I'm saying, I never said that it would be really tough. It would be any character. Like All Is Well was tough for me when I was offered that. Even Phantom as such, because I was like, लोग यार इस तरह से accept करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे? Will they be like कि नहीं यार तू क्यों अच्छा कपड़ा पहन के आ रहा है? You look better in that getup, और वही भाषा अच्छी लगती है तुझ पे. You never know. So it's always a challenge, and that is why I say yes for a script or for a film. कि हाँ यार कुछ करने को है मेरे पास, या I'll just need to repeat myself.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.